We're at OTC 2024. Great to be here. There's a real buzz about the place. So
we are at OTC in Houston, Texas. It's amazing to see how welcoming everyone is here. All the different nationalities, how diverse every company is here. So just excited to meet new people, new experience.
Really excited to see some of our new clients come in, talk about all the new things that Subsea7 has going for the groups and everything, and talk to new people that want to work with Subsea7.
We're visiting all my colleagues in the oil and gas sector, seeing what's changed over the last quarter of the year, and seeing how all these companies are also positioning themselves for the offshore wind market in the U.S.
Yeah, I mean, Houston is the oil hub of America, and this is the place to come if you're involved in oil and gas and in the future transition from oil and gas.